candid look into the everyday life of living in Luxembourg is presented. Honest insights are shared on the pros and cons of living in this European nation, including cost of living, work-life balance, and cultural experiences. The everyday realities of living in Luxembourg are explored, providing viewers with an honest and insightful look into the cost of living, cultural experiences, and the pros and cons of life in this European nation. This video aims to give potential residents a realistic understanding of what to expect when making Luxembourg their home. Welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered what it's really like to live in a country renowned for its high standard of living and fascinating history? Today we are diving deep into Luxembourg, a tiny nation with a big story. I'm Rana Jahanzeb from RJ Law Consultant, and whether you are considering a move, planning a visit, or just curious, this video is your ultimate guide to living in Luxembourg. Stick around as we uncover the pros, cons, unique culture, and practical tips to make the most of life in this incredible country. Welcome to Luxembourg. Luxembourg is one of the European smallest country, but don't let its size fool you. From its multilingual culture to its strong economy, there's so much to explore here. Today's video will cover everything from the cost of living to practical tips of moving here. Let's jump right into it. Cost of living and salaries. Luxembourg's cost of living is among the highest in Europe, but it's balanced by high salaries and a robust social safety net. Housing is a significant expense, with rental prices in Luxembourg City being particularly steep. Groceries and dining out can also add up, but public transportation is affordable and sometimes even free. The median income here is impressively high, reflecting the strength of Luxembourg's job market. For example, tech professionals and finance experts often earn top-tier salaries. Let's hear from an expat who's learned to navigate these costs. Culture and lifestyle. Luxembourg's culture is a rich blend of French, German, and Belgian influences, and its multilingualism with Luxembourgish, French and German as official languages sets it apart. History buffs will love the UNESCO-listed Old Town, while nature enthusiasts can explore the Mullerthal Trail, known as Little Switzerland. The work-life balance here is another major draw. With plenty of public holidays and proximity to other European hotspots, it's easy to recharge. Add to that the vibrant expat community and you've got a multicultural environment that feels welcoming and dynamic. Pros and cons of living in Luxembourg. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, Luxembourg offers high salaries, excellent healthcare, and a safe environment. The job market is strong, especially in finance, tech, and EU institutions. However, there are challenges too. The cost of living can be daunting, and navigating the bureaucracy takes patience. Plus, adapting to a new culture and potentially learning a new language can be a hurdle. But here's all good news. With the right mindset and preparation, these challenges are manageable. My tip? Start by immersing yourself in the local culture and learning the basics of Luxembourgish or French to make a great first impression. Thinking about moving to Luxembourg? Here are what you need to know. Number 1. Paperwork. You'll need a valid work visa or residency permit. Check official government website for up-to-date requirements. Number 2. Housing. Rentals can be competitive. Popular neighborhoods include Grunt for its charm and Kirchberg for its modern vibe. Jobs and networking. Leverage LinkedIn, expat groups, and local job boards. Language skills can be bonus, but aren't always essential. especially for international companies. Conclusion. Wrapping up. So there you have it, Luxembourg in a nutshell. From its high quality of life to the challenges of adopting, it's a place like no other. If you've got questions or stories to share, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights into life in Luxembourg and beyond. See you in the next video. Bye bye.